My name is John Dill. Development is called Bayshore Property Owners Association or Development. I am the president of the Condos Association, and I have 146 townhomes that I maintain for the outside and enjoy the volunteer job. Well, I heard about DryZone because about 2018, we had a situation where we thought we had a structural damage. And the requirements through the association is to go out for 3 bids. And we went out to 3 bids and we touched base with DryZone. And the unique thing about it, they were prompt and on time, and they were thorough about the investigation. Do I think that DryZone was the cheapest? No. But we had a situation that had to be resolved. And what I liked about the contract was their guarantee and what they said they were going to do. So that's how I got introduced to DryZone. They did a great job in 2018. The owner was very satisfied with the workmanship and the way things went. And that's how I met. Yes, recently you just finished a job for us, which was the house next door to the owner that had structural damage. What happened was the structure of the house sank, and it was off. And what happened was it was causing the jams and cracks in the walls and couldn't open the doors. So we notified DryZone again. Brian, who was the supervisor on site, came out, did a wonderful job. We had to jack up with pillars in the foundation, both the front and inside the house. We talked over with the customer and made sure the customer understood what was going on. But I think the unique thing about the whole thing is that DryZone was there from the start to the finish, and every step of the way they were able to tell us what was going on. If we asked a question, they were there to have the question answered. And it's very rarely that you get customer satisfaction like that. And the reason why I say that is I retired from AT&T as a senior field supervisor for outside plant. And my job I had 230 customers that were large business. And my job was to make sure they had excellent customer service. And customer service today is not where it is today. It's hard to get people to reply back to you or commit to you. But I can tell you that DryZone was there. My board was very pleased. The guy who I gave the job, Mike Bragdon, to run the project, never had any situation that when he called, he got an answer and got called back. So I think today the workmanship was done correctly. The customers are satisfied. The level of service is where I think that you need to look at. It's not always the price, but it's the service and the guarantee. So I would say that going forward, if anybody asks me with any recommendations of somebody, then I believe that there's no reason to doubt that I would recommend DryZone. What I really like is the whole company. It doesn't matter if it's the outside people or the administrative. I mean, when you come in here, it's a friendly atmosphere. They make you feel at home. They ask you if there's anything they can do for you, and I think that's the whole ball of wax. I believe that when you have a company and you have people who are happy to work for you, they are happy to express that to the customer. And I think that's what the customers are looking for. I think the customers are looking for not a runaround, but a straightforward answer, whether you like it or not, but you get an answer. So it didn't matter if it was the employee, the supervisor, the project board manager, or the administration. I've always had a great experience with that.